Have you ever felt whatever read English and didn't know where to begin? Imagine transforming a complete beginner to someone who confidently communicates in English. In this video, we will guide you through practical steps to kickstart your English learning journey from zero. Let's dive in. I'll even discuss some of the major points that you need to keep in mind. Number 4 and number 5 are the major ones. So stay connected till the end. Point number 1, setting the foundation. First things first, building a strong foundation is very necessary. Start with the basics, the alphabet, simple words and phrases. Understanding, pronouncing, and spelling is crucial. Use flashcards, language apps, or beginner books to get familiar with vocabulary words. Start with the alphabet. Practice each letter's pronunciation. Learn basic vocabulary. Focus on words you use daily. Practice pronunciation. Imitate native speakers to get the accent right. Point number 2. Practice regularly. Consistency is your best friend. Integrate English into your daily life. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English music or converse with friends. Immersing yourself in the language accelerates your learning. Watch English content. Start with subtitles, then try without them. Listen to English songs. Sing along to improve your pronunciation. Speak daily. Point number 3, reading and writing. Reading and writing are key to advancing your skills. Begin with simple books or articles and keep a journal. Writing a few sentences each day will enhance your vocabulary and grammar. Read daily. Start with simple texts and move to more complex ones. Keep a journal. Write about your day or your thoughts. Use apps. These offer exercises to strengthen your reading and writing skills. Point number 4, expanding your vocabulary. As you become more comfortable, focus on expanding your vocabulary. Learn new words daily and practice using them in your sentences. Keeping your vocabulary notebook can help track your progress. Learn new words daily. Aim for 5 to 10 words. Use vocabulary apps. They can make learning words fun. Practice in context. Use new words in sentences or conversations. Point number 5, taking your English to the next level. Ready to elevate your English skills. Engage in conversations with native speakers. Read more challenging texts and try to think in English. This immersion will make English a major part of your life. Engage in conversation. Use language exchange platforms. Read advanced material. Challenge yourself with complex texts. Think in English. Manage your day or thoughts in English. Remember, mastering English takes time, but with regular practice and dedication, you will see great results. Keep going, stay motivated, and enjoy the learning process. I will provide a link of the book in the description. You can consider buying for improving your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on English learning. Thanks for watching.